Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Runita from icute and thank you so much for joining in today's video. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a one brand tutorial, and the brand that I'm going to feature is Imagic Cosmetics. They sent me quite a lot of product from the new launch. You know, when they reached me out, I was so happy because I have been using the brand from 2017. It was one of my very first review videos that got attention of a lot of people on YouTube. So 3 years from that video, when that brand reached me out on their own, I was extremely happy. So I did use all of the new products from their recent launch, and you're going to see that in the video. Towards the end of the video, I'll tell you my thoughts on each product that I used, so do hang around till the end. Also, I thought, why don't I dedicate this for Eid? It will be a perfect makeup for Eid day or night. I wanted something soft yet a little bit glittery, so it's exactly that, and I'm really happy how it turned out. I think it looks very pretty. If you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Hi everyone, this is Barefaced Runita. Yes, I know I look very different without makeup. Anyways, moving on, I'll be starting off with this amazing brow pencil. It has two ends. One end has a very precise pencil and the other end has spoolie. It's such a good brow pencil, like it's very high-end quality. The tiny pencil really helps you to create tiny strokes, precise lines, fill in the gaps. It's amazing. I have been using it non-stop ever since I received it. Then I'm going to use my trusty dusty Imagic Full Coverage Foundation to hide the tiny hairs and carve out my brows, both top and bottom. I'm going to use the Imagic sponge to blend this out. You guys, look at this beautiful palette they sent me. It's so pretty. You can create many colorful eye makeup with this, of course. However, today my eye makeup is going to be on the soft side, so I'm starting with Mocha and I'm putting this on the crease of my eyelids. I am going to blend this out nicely so that it gives me a nice soft effect. Then I'm taking Toffee, applying it in the crease and blending it with the previous shade. I'm again going in with the foundation and carving out my crease. Going back with Toffee, I'm blending out my outer V. For this look, I really made sure that the edges are nice and blended. I'm taking this shimmery shade called Champagne and applying it on the blank area. Took my time and covered the entire area nicely. Now I'm taking the shade Cinnamon and blending it towards the end. You guys, this shade called Sable is such a dark matte black color. I love it. I use it to create a smoky effect on my lash line, as you can see in the video. Then I'll take the Imagic liquid liner. It is a pen liner, but the quality is really good. It's very dark and it's very easy to apply. I'm basically tight lining my upper lash line with the eyeliner. Just a simple basic line. That's it. Now I'll be cleaning the fallouts. Also create a sharp end with the micellar water. They did not send me this Imagic glitter palette. It was already in my collection and I really want to use it today. So I'll be taking this golden glitter with my fingertips and dabbing it on my eyelids. Since it's a pressed glitter, you really don't need to use any glitter glue. So pretty. I did not have any mascara from Imagic, so I'm using a random one. Alright, so now I will pause my eye makeup for a bit and complete the rest of my face. I'll first prepare my face with some moisturizer and primer. Next, I'll be taking this new Imagic Skin Coverage Foundation in the shade Honey Beige. It also comes with a pump. So this is how the foundation looks. As you can tell, it's too dark for me. So I'll be mixing it with my Imagic Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Buff Beige so that it's a little similar to my skin tone. I'll be blending it with the Imagic sponge. By the way, it's a really good sponge. It's actually my 4th one, I believe. I have already purchased like 3 times before, and this one they sent me. It's like worth the price. It's very cheap, but it works really well. So I went with a second layer actually. It's already a full coverage foundation, so I don't know why did I think that having a second layer would be a good idea, but it looks pretty good. The foundation was easy to blend, easy to layer, and the finish looks super glowy. I'm in love. Next, I'll be applying some concealer, and it's in the shade Warm Ivory. The packaging is very similar to their lipsticks. Even the applicator is like a lipstick applicator, and it's not my favorite, but it's okay. And again, I'll be using my favorite Imagic sponge. I just wish it had a little more coverage. Other than that, the shade is good. It was easy to blend and it was easy to layer. Then I'll take some powder with a brush and set my concealer. I actually ended up setting my entire face, but like with very less powder. Okay, now I'll be using their new sculpting kit. It's in the shade Warm Golden. It comes with 1 highlighter and 1 contour. The shade of the contour is pretty cool toned, and the highlighter, it's so beautiful. It's the perfect shade. I'm in love with the highlighter. Like, you'll see in the video why I'm saying this. By the way, it also comes with a mirror, so that's pretty handy. With the help of a small brush, I'll be contouring my cheeks. Apply a little bit on my forehead. And try to hide my double chin. I think it helped. Next, I'll be taking this new blush and highlighter palette. Look how pretty it is. Oh my god, so satisfying. The highlighters from this palette are so beautiful and blinding. Hand swatches do not do any justice to them. When you apply it on your face, that's when you see the real beauty. Anyways, I'll be taking this warm bronzer shade to bring some warmth on my face. As you saw, the contour powder was pretty cool toned. I'll be going in with this peachy blush and apply on both of my cheeks. These blushes are really pigmented, so you should be light-handed and you'll get a flawless finish. I'll be contouring my nose with the help of the contour powder and setting my face with a setting spray. Okay, now I'll go back with the eyeshadow. I'll be taking the shade Mocha and apply it on the lower lash line. Then I'll go in with Toffee and darken it a little bit on the lower lash line. I'm applying some white kajal and apply some mascara on my lower lash. And now I'll be taking this highlighter from the blush and highlight palette. Look how blinding it is. I'll apply it on my brow bone and on my inner corner. I'll also apply it on my nose and on my cupid's bow. I was in a dilemma with choosing which highlighter should I put on my cheeks, but then I ended up going in with the Sculpting palette. The speciality of this highlighter is that it doesn't look chunky. You cannot tell that I'm wearing a lot of highlighter, but as soon as the light hits my cheeks, it glows. It gives a beaming, beautiful glow. I'm in love. I love it. Cannot forget my lashes. So they did send me 3 lipsticks from the recent launch. All of the colors are so pretty. You can see it in the swatches. This is honestly by far their best formulation in case of lipsticks, because trust me when I say it, I have tried all of their formulations. Yeah, this is my collection. They did not send me this. This is my personal collection. This is their first series. This was their second series. And this is the most recent one. But today I decided to go on with shade 04 from their first release. This shade is so iconic. I think a lot of you already have this one. And this is actually my 2nd or 3rd bottle of this exact shade. I really love this and it was perfect for today's look. So this is my finished look. Please let me know in the comment section how you like it. Alright you guys, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a big old thumbs down. It's okay. It actually turned out prettier than I thought, so yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome. Okay, my thoughts on the products. I really enjoyed the foundation. I think it gives a very nice glowy finish. I really enjoyed the eyeshadow palette. It's very good quality. The eyeshadows are really pigmented, and the shimmers are also very nice. I honestly liked everything that I used today. I think one thing that I'm not a huge fan of is the concealer. Other than that, everything else performed so well. All of the products are really good, and I highly recommend all of them. If you want to purchase any of these products, I have linked them down below. You can check it out. So that was my final thought. If you have any other queries, feel free to ask me in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself, love yourself, have a great Eid. It's going to be different, you know. We're stuck in home, but we're also safe in home, so stay safe. Eid Mubarak in advance. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.